Greetings, friends and train collectors, and the rest of you. You know what you are. Anyway, this video is going to be a little different from the ones that I usually do. It's going to be sort of a helpful hint, let's say, for those who buy and sell on the internet. So, in this case, if you ever bought something on the internet, sure you have. I'm going to use the example of an American Flyer pre-war caboose. Tin litho, nice and shiny. So you look it up, you find one. Hey, it looks pretty nice. Really nice. I'm going to buy it. Click buy it now. They charge your account. And you wait for the mail to deliver it. Oh boy. So hopefully, a few days later, the mail arrives. Here it is. Can't wait to get into it. Really look nice in the listing. Open this puppy up. Packing material. Pull it out. All right, can't wait to see this. Oh my word. What the heck happened to it? This doesn't look like the caboose that I bought. What could have happened? Tissue paper first. Then bubble wrap.